This is how you fold towels professionally, like in hotels and Airbnbs. This is one of the most common ways to fold a towel professionally. First, you want to locate where your tag is, and that's where I like to hold with this hand. What you're going to do is fold this into thirds. So here you can see I folded this into thirds with the tag on the inside. And then this fold is going to continue all the way down. You're then going to have this crease on the inside and fold down again. So now you look like this, with all of your loose hanging articles at the bottom. Now what you want to do is fold again in half. And you have a towel that looks just like this. I always place the open-ended section. Like if you were placing this inside a bathroom on a shelf, you would place it in this way. That way the nice folded rounded edge is pointed towards your guests. So I'm gonna fold a couple and then I'll show you what it looks like with numerous ones stacked up against each other. And this is what they look like all stacked up. I think that it looks very professional, and I like having this displayed for my guests. What I also do on these racks in these bathrooms is I put some hand towels, washcloths, and some extra toilet paper for them as well. So everything has its place and it looks nice because we have 7 of these units, and this is a consistent experience that we always give our guests. It's little small things like this that add up. This only takes a few seconds extra to do versus just folding them into squares and setting them, which is certainly easier, but this is gonna be, in my opinion, the best way to do it.